Hi guys! In this lesson I will teach you how to display a 3D object on a canvas. I have prepared the scene. Let's create our camera for the 3D object. In order for our camera to look only at the character, we will create a layer for it. In the camera, you need to select the desired layer and turn it off in the main camera. Let's create a radar texture for the canvas and then put in the camera. In our canvas, we will create a raw image and draw in our texture. You can change the display quality in the texture. Everything is ready. Subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.